Hello everybody, today we'll learn what is print in Python. First, let's open a new file, and for example, let's name it by print. So file, new file, and let's save it before we work on it. Save as, I want to save it on a desktop, and for example, let's name it as print. After we had saved the file, let's start working on it. First, the print tells the Python file to type something. Okay, first let's type print, but be careful. Don't type the P capital. Type it small. And then space, and then we'll open one parenthesis like this. And then one quotation mark as this, or two quotation marks as you want. And then you type what you want, what the program will type. For example, let's tell him, hello everybody. Hello everybody. How are you? How are you? And then we had typed the sentence. We'll close with the quotation mark, and then we'll close with the parentheses. And then we will run it easily. Okay. So see, he had typing what we typing for him. Hello everybody. How are you? See, he had typing. And now, but let's make some mistakes to know why is that will happen or no. So we'll make it, for example, the P capital first, and then see, it can't understand what is this print. You cannot understand the print with what capital P. So let's return it as it was, and what, delete the quotation mark like this, and we will run it. And invalid syntax, you can't understand. What do you want to type? What do you want to print? So we will say it's invalid syntax. Okay, let's put the quotation marks under place, I mean, like this. And we will delete the parentheses like this, and you will run it. Okay, see, it will give you missing parentheses. We forgot the parentheses and call to print, because print needs parentheses. So did you mean that you put the parentheses and hello everybody, how are you? Yes, we want that. So the program will understand what you want to type in this way. So let's put the parentheses, and it will work like this, and run it, model. Okay, so it worked. So now let's revise. Print is, you tell the Python file to type something when you run the Python file. So like this, we had finished our video. Please like please like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment for anything that you want, and bye.